undergo glycolysis, which is the oxidation of glucose to pyruvic acid.
We're NAD+. We get reduced into NADH. In total, glycolysis produces 4 ATP. 2 are given towards this reaction,
and 2 are given off.
So there's a net production of 2 ATP.
We don't need oxygen because we're strong, independent molecules. Before the Krebs cycle can begin, pyruvic acid undergoes a process called decarboxylation, where it gives off one CO2 molecule. The pyruvic acid then becomes a 2-carbon compound, which is called an acetyl group, and attaches to coenzyme A. After attaching to coenzyme A, it becomes acetyl-CoA. NAD+ is then reduced to NADH. Now the Krebs cycle can begin! I'm acetyl-CoA. And I'm coenzyme A. And I break apart from acetyl-CoA and attach to
oxaloacetic acid.
Sounds fake, but okay.
Shut up. Together, we form 6-carbon citric acid. This is the first step in the Krebs cycle, and the energy needed to do this comes from the breaking apart from these guys.
NAD+ is reduced to NADH, so a carbon dioxide molecule is released. I am also NAD+, and I get reduced to NADH, and I also release a carbon dioxide molecule. Together we make a 4-carbon compound! A guanosine diphosphate. And I'm a phosphate. Together we make guanosine triphosphate. This serves as an intermediary at this point in the cycle, because it's similar to ATP.
In the Krebs cycle, there's a redox reaction where 2 molecules of hydrogen are accepted by NAD+ and FAD+, so they become NADH
and FADH2.
NADH is not NADH2 because even though it accepts 2 hydrogen, it only accepts 1 proton.
The products of the Krebs cycle are 2 ATP and 2 FADH2, 4 carbon dioxides,
and 6 NADH plus H's.
Electron transport chain begins. There are 3 classes of carrier proteins. The first type are flavoproteins. These proteins are capable of producing alternate oxidation and reduction reactions. The second group are cytochromes, and they're capable of existing alternately as a reduced form and an oxidized form.
The last one is cubiquinones, also called coenzyme Q. These exist as small non-protein carriers.
First type of the Krebs cycle is NADH giving an H to FMN. And FMN gets an H from the surrounding aqueous medium and becomes FMNH2. I am the mitochondrial membrane.
The second step of the Krebs cycle starts when FMNH2 passes 2 hydrogen over the membrane. Then, coenzyme Q gets 2 other hydrogens from the aqueous environment and passes them over the membrane as well.
Grrr.
That's it.
You. No one even said anything.
That was so good.
Stop. Should we?
Oh shit, I know the one. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Shut up, Nikita.
Okay, good.
But I'll just throw it. That was. Start again, sorry.